Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2013 EEE paper. The question is, for a periodic signal V of t is equal to 30 sin 100t plus 10 cos 300t plus 6 sin 500t plus pi by 4, what is the fundamental frequency? If they ask fundamental frequency, it is very easy to find from the problem itself. You see what is the frequency here? In radian per second, that is they are asking omega not f. So you see what is omega, let us assume this is omega 1, then the format is sin omega t, so omega 1 is 100, here omega 2 is 300, omega 3 is 500. You see, this is the fundamental, what is fundamental frequency from which other frequency or other harmonics are developed. So out of these three, it should be fundamental 100. From this it is, well, it is basic harmonics or fundamental harmonic, means it is third harmonic because omega 2 is equal to 3 omega 1. This is 5 omega 1. So it should be a fundamental frequency. This is second harmonic, sorry, third harmonic. This is fifth harmonic. The fundamental frequency is 100. Option A is right answer. Simple. Thank you.